MiniMax H3 just landed on NightCafe, so I wanted to see how quickly we could turn a community template into a complete video using this new model. So I'm on NightCafe right now. If you're new to AI art and you're wanting to get started, sign up for NightCafe using my link down in the description so that you can get 20 free creations. And then once you sign up, you can follow along using this video. So let's just start by going to this create panel. You're going to see lots of info here in the create panel. And while it can be a little bit overwhelming at first, it is really not too crazy once I can walk you through everything. So I'm going to start in the templates library. You can find those by going to the templates section and clicking choose a template. You're going to have the option to browse templates or look at templates that you've created. But I think I'm going to browse and look for something fun. I'm going to go with this child's play template, which is like a coloring book template. I have the idea to start with a completely black and white page and have really dynamic and dimensional transitions. So this whole photo in black and white turns into a whole colorful world, visually representing the way that we can turn our words into art on NightCafe. So I have this prompt here, which is going to be a coloring book page of a little dragon just sitting in a magical garden. So let me input that now. I had it ready beforehand. And if you're not sure exactly what to start with, you can always use the magic prompt button and ask Vincent, our bot. He's like your mini assistant on NightCafe. You can ask him to come up with some suggestions for it. So to get out of this, you're going to go back to the create form. And let's just start with the prompt that I had put in. Also, I'm getting my streak. I'm currently on my 4th day. So that's great. Once you hit 5 days, then you get a bigger credit reward. Let's see what reward we got today. Got a common reward worth 6 credits, which is great. Any credits count. So here's my finished image. I think it's great, but I do not like the aspect ratio. I want it to be in 16:9. So it has more of an editorial video style feel. So while that generates, I'm just going to generate a few. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at what they have already. So here's our square aspect ratio. This is our 16:9 aspect ratio. Here are some other 16:9s. Let's just take a second to choose our favorite. I think this one is my favorite. They're all really cute though. Oops. I'm going to go with this one. So I am now going to take this image and hit animate. We're going to go with MiniMax H3, which is the brand new model that I had mentioned in the beginning of the video. And now that we have a strong starting image, I need to tell MiniMax H3 how the scene should move. So to get this prompt that I'm about to input, I actually used ChatGPT and just spoke what I was imagining the video looking like into ChatGPT to write this prompt for me. Because I am not a director and I have no idea how to explain the intricacies of what I'm envisioning, just more of a surface level image, or I guess video of what I'm trying to do. So what I'm imagining is starting in a black and white world similar to this, and the video slowly turns into a more colorful world. The more that we imagine, the more that we write, the more colorful the world begins to get. And it just builds into this really beautiful, colorful fantasy world. And it's kind of representative of the way that we're able to turn our words into art on NightCafe. You have the option to use this image as the first frame or the reference image, which I think both are great. And you can also use up to 9 reference images. So that's awesome. You can edit all of that here, but I'm just going to keep it easy for now. So let's use this as the first frame, and then let's also run one as the reference image. So I'm going to copy this prompt that I got from ChatGPT. Let's put it in really quickly and let's animate it. And while that's going, let's just recap what we did. So we came to NightCafe and we started with a template and a pretty basic prompt for a dragon in a fantasy garden. And with that image, we're now able to animate our thoughts, which is so cool, so insane that we're at a point in this world where we can do this kind of magic, it almost feels like. So I'll catch up with you guys after this video animates. Here is the final result. This is insane.
On NightCafe, you can animate your thoughts.
So that was the result when we use the image as a start image, and this is the result when we use the image as a reference image. It's not much of a difference, but it is a little bit different. So let me just play it for you.
On NightCafe, you can animate your thoughts.
Okay, well, that was it, guys. That's how you can turn a single image into an entire living world with MiniMax H3 on NightCafe. Explore the community templates, find one that sparks an idea, or come with an idea of your own and bring it to life in your very own unique way. So, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and make sure to subscribe for more creative experiments. Then, if you're feeling like it, go pro on NightCafe to unlock the power of MiniMax H3 and start animating with your own ideas. Okay, well, that's it, but we'll see you guys for the next one. Bye.